Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be sharing a video with you about this 4x6 photo album that I wanted to create for my sister. I am only going to be doing the front cover for you guys, which is super easy and simple. And then at the end or towards the end of the video, you guys are going to be seeing the complete album. I filmed this in April, but I wasn't able or just didn't have the time to edit it until now, so it's like a little bit behind. But you guys get the concept. This is just a really neat idea to document an inexpensive album for a loved one. So I hope that you enjoy. I will be using the Webster's Paper Kids, This is the Good Life, and then a few pages from All About Us or something about love. But it's only like 1 or 2 pages. The majority of the additional layouts came from the Good Life. So I hope that helps in case you're interested on the paper. But anyways, see you guys at the end of the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Guys, so here is the final flip through of the little album that we have put together for my sister. And a lot of the pages are empty because you guys, I still have more pictures to develop, and these are the only ones that I could find like now. So I started, like working through them, decorating them a bit, and then like sliding them in. But I'm gonna do a quick flip through so you could see how super easy it is. And this album, you guys, was like $1. I think I got it from Michael's Recollection brand. So very inexpensive. It didn't come out as thick, so that's a good thing. Okay, so you've seen this one, and like I said, I left a lot of the pages empty, but some of them do have a little bit of pictures. And more than anything, I just wanted to capture like how cool of an aunt she is, and like put a little bit of memories in there for her. So look at her and little Mike and Adriana having a blast on the sombrero cup. And then just more pages here. Here she's baptizing. She's actually, this is our nephew, Sabino, and she is the godmother for him as well. And then look, this is an oldie one. Look how little Mike was. And she was a kid herself, but super cute that Michael's like looking at the camera smiling, and she's more concerned about eating. typical us. But anyways, here's just some more of the layouts. Her goofy self with Adriana. And then, oh, I guess I forgot to put this one in here because I actually had the kids write like a little journaling for her. And I need to glue it. So let's do that one while we're here. If it works, no, I guess I'm all out of. Cholo, you're being super loud, buddy. But I guess that's you, isn't it? Yeah. Alright, so this, I'm completely empty on that. So let me replace that. And then wait for Cholo to be done. Cholo! Okay, looks like he's done. So I'm going to just kind of put a little bit on each corner. And then put it there. Although honestly, I could probably cut it down a little bit. Should I do that? Let's see. Now I'm gonna have to add a little bit more. If it was working, what is going on? Okay. And then put that there. And then we could slide that in there, and that's a little note from Adriana. And believe it or not, the kids, especially Adriana, really sat at the typewriter machine and started typing. I just made it a little bit better, but that's actually her words that she chose to put in there. Some of these you're able like to see through them, but that's okay because when the picture gets added on this side, it's gonna block off that paper, if that makes any sense. So you guys saw this one. Reminds me of Tiamari, except Tiamari doesn't have any tattoos. And there's that. And this one. This one. This one. And then the last one. And then once you close it, then you're able to see that's the back cover, which is gonna go this way, and then the album could sit down this way. I wanted the album to be going this way because most of my pictures are this way. I do have a few in here that I added, the ones with Adriana where they're this way, but that's okay. It's just two. All the other ones are gonna be going in long ways. But that is going to complete our video, you guys. I thought this was very inexpensive and simple gift idea to do for a loved one. For mom, Mother's Day, I know we're getting close, or it's kind of almost here. Or, you know, a sister, whatever, just documenting little moments for them. For me, I wanted to document my sister because she's such a cool, like, aunt. She treats the niece and nephews like she's still a kid with them, you know? I don't know. I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm talking about, but she's just a cool aunt to all of them. So yeah, so that's gonna be the album flip through, or whatever you want to call it. But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye.